friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making vegetable beef soup in the Instant Pot. For this easy recipe, we need 1.5 pounds of beef stew meat, 4 potatoes, a can of diced tomatoes, a bag of frozen vegetables. Here I have corn, carrots, peas, and green beans. And we need seasonings, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. So this is a very easy recipe. We're just going to dump everything in the Instant Pot and it will cook it and it will be perfect. So first I'm going to start by opening the Instant Pot. Oh, and one ingredient very important I forgot to mention is water. So this is 4 cups of water already pre-measured. So let's open the Instant Pot and add 4 cups of water. And add the beef stew meat. And now I'm going to peel the potatoes and cut them into cubes and add to the Instant Pot. So let's start by peeling the potatoes and cutting them into cubes. So now I peel the potatoes and cut them into cubes. So let's add cubed potatoes to the Instant Pot. And now I'm going to add diced tomatoes. And I will add frozen vegetables. No need to defrost frozen vegetables, you just add them as is. And now I will add the seasonings. I'll add 1 tablespoon of salt. A 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. One teaspoon of garlic powder. One teaspoon of onion powder. And 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now just mix it a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just kind of distribute the seasonings. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 30 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pan has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here is perfectly cooked vegetable beef soup. Look at this delicious soup. It looks amazing. Perfectly cooked meat, potatoes, and vegetables. And all that water that we added to turn into a delicious stock. So easy to make, and this makes a complete dinner. Super filling, so tasty. And now let me just put some in a bowl and I'll try it. Perfect. look at this soup. Amazing. So easy. Instant Pot does all the work. And now let's try it. Perfect. The meat is so tender, it just melts in your mouth. Potatoes are perfectly cooked and it tastes so good. You're going to love this beef and vegetable soup. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!